Hi guys, today we are making some delicious eggless scones. Start off by adding salt, baking powder, as well as sugar to the self-raising flour, and mix that in. Now add in the margarine and mix this in until it resembles breadcrumbs. I have added the vanilla essence to the sour milk. Slowly add in the sour milk to form a soft dough. And once this starts coming together, use your hands to make the dough. Once you have a soft enough dough, you can start rolling it out. Now roll out the dough to about 6 to 8 millimeter thickness. And you can cut them out using a tumbler or a scone cutter. Brush them with some milk and bake at 180 degrees for between 12 and 15 minutes or until done. Eggless scones all done. Serve with some butter or jam and some fresh cream.